In this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can get the pumpkin emoji on Facebook Messenger. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So the first thing you have to do is go ahead and come over to Messenger, and then go ahead and choose someone you want to go ahead and change the emoji for. So I'm going to just go ahead and do it with myself here for this example. So what you want to go ahead and do is click on the eye in the top right corner, and then go ahead and select theme, because if you select emoji, as you can see, there is not an option for a pumpkin on this little section here. So what you want to go ahead and do is literally just select on theme, and then go ahead and select Halloween. And as you can see, it will change your theme and also change your emoji where your thumbs up button usually is to a pumpkin. But if you want to go ahead now and change the theme back to something else and keep the emoji, all you need to go ahead and do is select a theme and go down to whichever you want. So I'll select this one for example. So as you can see, I've also got my theme that I want, and I've also still got the pumpkin as my emoji in the bottom right hand corner. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please remember to leave a like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.